Now let's look at the first part of your expense worksheet, which is the housing cost. You were given sheets by Ms. Sears to put into your folder with all of your housing options. So you were to go through, decide if you wanted to live Toco Hills, Dunwoody, what area of town you wanted to live in, and pick a house. Based on your annual income, but also based on now that you have worked through what your monthly income is, you can start thinking about how much per month you can afford. So looking through, and I'm going to pick something in Sandy Springs because I want to be close to the school, so I'm going to pick this 4930 Long Island Terrace, which is $1,508 monthly. And you see that price here. So you go to your worksheet, and it was $1,508. I believe that's correct. Let me double check. Yes. And I'm going to fill that in. And once I decide that that's what I want, then I have to calculate this. And this is utilities. For your power, your gas, your water, you want 12.5% of that. So you need to take whatever your monthly mortgage is and multiply that times 12.5%. For me, 1,508 times 12.5. Again, it all goes back to finding a percent of a number, 1,508. I need to change my percent to a decimal. Drop this. I already have a decimal, so I'm not starting here. I'm starting here, 2 to the left. So I'm doing 125 thousandths times of means times this number. 1,508 times that 12.5%, which as a decimal is 0.125. And I'm not going to work it out the long way. I'm going to use a calculator. And when you multiply that, I would get 188.50. This is what I need to put back in my worksheet. So I go back to my worksheet. 188.50 goes here. 0.5. And then I need to add those two together because that's how much my housing is going to cost. The cost of the utilities plus my mortgage. So when you add those two together, my total for my housing is 169.6.50.